Puppet pack. I mean like 14 puppet pack in Fidget World, and there's new code in this game too. It is, I could really use a wish. It's this. Look. This is the code though, and if you guys, and it gave 200 coin. And if you guys don't trust me, you guys thought this was like fake and stuff. Look, watch. See? And don't mind me. I don't know how to cut the video and stuff. So yeah, let's go and hatch the puppet pack. I wish I get a pineapple because I already have the wish. Oh, simple dimple. Not bad. And common red puppet, not bad. Ooh, and common cotton candy 2x2 puppet. A simple dimple. Not bad, but and not good. Probably like, not good. I haven't get any luck yet. Kind of a bit weird, but let's just end this. I'm gonna end this video here because I have no luck yet, and I don't want to waste stuff again because I have to earn it again and again. Bye, guys. And before we stop this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out when I post new video. And sorry for posting late because I'm too lazy.